Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany if you are new here. Today I'm going to show you an updated video on how I do my lashes. These are lash clusters, so these they don't go on top of your lashes, they go under your lashes. And they stay on for about a week or so. You can keep them longer. I typically keep them for about a week. Take them off, give my regular lashes a break, and then I do another set about a week later. All the stuff that I'm using, these are Amazon lashes, $10 for 120 clusters. I got these with, I think it was the Falscara lashes, but these are the best ones I have. I have a few other pairs, but I don't like them. So these are very convenient. I have the Lashify Whisper Light Flexible Bond Glue. That is what I use. That's what I get the longest wear out of. I have a brush to brush these at the end of putting them on. And then I have the Lashify Glass, which is, this helps waterproof, kind of like the glue, so then your lashes will last longer. So if you want to see how I put these on, just stick around and let me know what you think. Okay, so to get this lash look right here, I'm using the OGs, the ones that I used in my first video. These are 14 millimeter, they're from Amazon, they're $10 for 120 lash pieces. Very good deal. They last as long as any other lash extensions that I've used. So I will show you how I put these on. I will do it closer since I've got some criticism over in my last video on how to put these on. So I will show you now. This is the finished look. These are what they look like. Some that are falling down, but the lash glue that I prefer is the Lashify glue. It comes with clear and it comes with black. The black is like a mascara brush. Show you that. And then the clear is like a little paintbrush. And this is the Whisper Light Flexible Bond. I get a good week out of this. I usually take my lashes off after a week because I just like to clean up my natural lashes and give them a rest for a couple days, and then I put more on. So I'm gonna get started. So I'm going to put the mascara side of the glue on. You just put an even coat on all your lashes. So I put an even coat. You only need one coat if you're going to use both. I use both black and clear. Now, they don't tell you to do this with this glue, but this is what I find works the best for me. So I take the clear as well, and I go ahead and I put it all over the lashes. Looks like a lot, but it does dry clear, so this kind of just helps you see where you're putting it. And I find that with this glue that the tackier it gets because of the age of the glue, the easier it is, the better it works, I find. So now while that gets tacky a little bit, I'm going to loosen up these. Now, when I did my video over a year ago, the packaging was a little different on these. They made the tape a little less sticky so you can actually pull these off without ruining the lashes. I mean, you may get some where you pull them and you rip them in half, but it's not like it was. I use about 5 of them per eye. I have big round eyes, so that is that. So this looks like it's good to go. Now what I do, oops, that one was not one. I take it, I hold my tweezers like this. I put it in there like that, and I go in and I get as close to the water line, but without touching the water line. And then I push it up with the tweezers. Second one, get as close to the first one as you can without touching the water line. Press it on. Third one. Again, close to the second one as possible without touching the water line and without overlapping. Push it on. This is the fourth one. Press it on. And here's my fifth one. And then I let it kind of dry a little bit before I squeeze them on. And then you grab right towards the base of the eyelash. And you're going to squeeze to seal the bond. I like to wipe my tweezers in between because the glue sometimes gets on them and then you don't want to pull your lashes off. So then I do it again. And again. And there. Now they're on. I also use the Lashify, it's glass. This just helps waterproof it. I think I got too close to the edge. I don't like to go too close to the edge because then it feels weird. That's okay for this time. This makes it a little more waterproof. I just run at the base, the water, or near the water line, and then I run it on the top. Kind of like seals the glue, makes them last a little longer. And now, finish up the eye look. Put a little mascara on the bottom lashes. And there's the finished look. Simple as that. Now, don't get frustrated if it takes you a little longer to do your lashes. They do take some time to get used to doing them. I've just been doing them for such a long time. I can get them done literally within no time. So that's a little updated video on how I do my lash clusters. I will never go back to lash extensions. I was never really one for lash extensions before, but as I've gotten used to these are easy to pop on. They last for at least a week, so you're not taking lashes on and off every single day. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will do more at anybody's request. If you have any requests of any kind of video you'd like to see, makeup, eyelashes, if you have more questions, leave them down below and I can help you out. So I thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.